Hello everyone. So in this video lecture we'll be studying about number systems, and particular topic will be representation of rational numbers with decimal expansions on the number line. So we are to represent the rational numbers on the number line, and that too with the decimal expansion. So we know that rational numbers have two type of decimal expansion. Number one, you can say terminating decimal expansion, and number two, we have non-terminating but repeating. So in this topic, in this section, we are to revise representation of the rational numbers, the decimals with terminating decimals and non-terminating but repeating decimals. So the very first question that we have with us, that is to represent 3.765 on the number line. So the very first thing, we have to construct a number line, 0 in the middle, positive numbers on the right hand side and negative numbers on the left hand side with proper and equal scale division. Okay, so if you have to do this, you can say that this division is 1 unit, or you can say this is 1 centimeter. For more clarity sake, you can take 1.5 centimeter, you can take 2 centimeter. So minimum take division as 1 centimeter, but it will be little more feasible that if you use 2 centimeter or even more for the division. So now looking at the number, we have 3.7. So 3.7, it lies between 3 and 4. So what we are supposed to do, we will magnify the scale or the division between 3 and 4. So if you expand the scale between 3 and 4, then you will get again 10 divisions. So between 3 and 4 you will get 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 till 3.9, and last will be 4. So now coming to the number again, we have 3.76. So now 3.76. So we can see that 3.76 will lie between 3.7 and 3.8. So again, what we need to do, we need to magnify the scale between 3.7 and 3.8. So on magnification, you will get again 10 equal divisions. They will be like 3.7 and then 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76 up to so on till 3.79, and last will be 3.8. Now again coming back to the number, we have 3.765. So in this scale, if we can see 765. So 765 will lie between 3.76 and 3.77. So here what we'll do, we'll magnify the scale between 3.76 and 3.77. On magnification, you'll again get 10 equal divisions. Like 3.76 we have to start with, you'll get 3.761, 3.762 up to so on till 3.769, and then you get the next decimal place, that was 3.77. Okay, so if you try to locate this number 3.765, where do we have our answer? So yes, so we can say that 3.765 is the required answer. So in this, what we were supposed to do, we are to look for the number. For the very first thing, we look for the integral value between which this decimal expansion lies. So this 3.765 lies between 3 and 4. So we'll magnify that region and we'll divide the divisions between 3 and 4 into 10 equal divisions. Then coming to 3.7, so 3.7 is here. So we need to magnify the region between 3.7 and 3.8. On magnifying between 3.7 to 3.8, we have to again divide it into 10 equal divisions. So it was 3.7, we'll start with 3.1, 3.2 up to so on. Then 3.76, so we get 3.76 over here. So we will take 3.76 and the next decimal. So we have to magnify that. On magnifying between 3.76 to 3.77, we'll get 10 equal divisions again. So 3.76 it was. So 3.761, 3.762 up to so on. And now you can see that the number was 3.765. So we'll end our answer over here, marking this as that this is the required number on the number line. So in the next video, we'll be learning about how to represent a rational number with repeating and non-terminating decimal expansion on the number line. Thank you.